Hello everybody, yes, I'm back again. Look what I've got. No, it's not the one I've just finished. It's another one. I just thought I'd show it to you quickly. So, I got it from eBay. It cost me around about £50, which is, for one of these in one piece, is quite good. It's just coming apart at the seams really. It's done its time. It needs plenty of TLC, but look at this. It was sold as working, put away in the loft, hasn't been used for years, couldn't guarantee anything, but that doesn't bother me. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the mains cable? Can you see the wire coming through? And also over here, this thing is waiting to kill somebody. I'm lucky I'm plugged into an isolation transformer, so I can't get killed from it, but I could get a little pop if I'm not careful. Right, quickly. There we are. People just show shots like that, and you think, oh, look at that. It's a lovely Danset Ginger Lux for me. I'm going to buy that. And when you get it, it's a bit of a disappointment. It's got a hole in the grill. But people take very crafty pictures. Not that it bothers me. I only buy things to refurbish anyway. So let's turn it on. The amplifier does work. It's got a very slightly later amplifier than the one I've just finished. This one has got an audio transformer and a mains transformer and just an EL84 output valve, whereas the other one runs on mains potential and it's got a UY85 rectifier and an ECL83 output valve, which is they're very powerful little valves, but it's quite a rough and ready amplifier in there. Right, let's well, it makes a nice sound. The amplifier's coming to life. I mean, I will totally rebuild this anyway, because even if it's working now, it might not work in a year's time. And it's got a nice little buzz to it, which on one of these amps I should be able to get rid of quite easily. Let's just chuck a record on, just an old test record. There is a cartridge in here, Full Fi TC8 is present. Just drop it on. No, it's got no output. But that doesn't bother me at all in the slightest. I have got an ology in Dansets. No worries. Right, enough of this one. Oh, it's making a right old racket, but it won't. Right, let's turn it off, and excuse me whilst I just unplug it, because even though I'm on an isolation transformer, I don't want to touch anything whilst I've got the camera and get a little pop. There we are. Right, yeah, look, it's shedding its skin. It's getting itself ready for me. Oh no! Ah, also look where the amplifier is on these all stretch, and the Rexine comes up, but I've done something on the other one to prevent that, hopefully. Well, it always seems to work. Right, enough of this one. You want to see the other one. Don't worry, old friend. You will be lickety-spit. Lickety-spit? That doesn't sound right. Maybe it's right. I'm a fool. Anyway, here we go. Right. A brand new Danset. What do you think? Totally recovered in fresh Rexine from the good old days, just like it would have left the factory back in 1958. I'll just quickly whiz it round. It's got new feet as well. Whiz it round to the back. There's the back. Aren't they cute? It's a tiny little thing. And it's all very happy now. Right, there we go. I suppose I better chuck a record on. Well, as it's late on Sunday evening and I'm getting that terrible Monday feeling, I've got an appropriate tune. What do you reckon? Not bad, is it? Tell me what you think. I need to know. I need feedback. It makes me happy. Right, whilst I just grab this record, I'm going to put a big one on, because you can't shut the lid on this. It's all it's all very close. Look at that, overhangs the sides, just about touches on the back, but it doesn't. They really are squashed in. Right, without further ado, engage the motor clutch, drop the... it's hard to do this with a camera. Oops. Here we go. Fortunes from about 1965. Here comes that rainy day feeling.
Here comes that rainy day feeling again. And soon my tears, they will be falling like rain. It always seems to be a Monday, leftover memories of Sunday, always spent with you before the clouds appear and took away my sunshine. Here comes that rainy day feeling again. And I'll be dreaming of you, baby, babe. Your face is always on my mind, girl. I'm hoping soon you're gonna find, girl, your way back to me. 'Cause if you say you stay, the rainy days will go away. Misty morning eyes, I'm trying to disguise the way I feel, but I just can't hide it. People seem to know the loneliness must show. I'm thinking of my pride that's breaking up inside, girl. Oh, 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 here comes that rainy day feeling again. And soon my tears, they will be falling like rain. It always seems to be a Monday, leftover memories of Sunday, always spent with you before the clouds appear, took away my sunshine. Here comes that rainy day feeling again. Here comes that rainy day feeling again. Here comes that rainy day feeling again.
There we go. There's the Fortunes, rainy day feeling. Right, let's disengage the clutch and take the. Let's turn it off. Now, I have. You see, it's still got the 4.5 flip over flag on the front because I think they look nice on these. Some look better without, some look better with, but they just look wrong when it's taken out. So what I've done, that is there just purely for show. Underneath is a brand new old stock BSR X3H cartridge with a nice diamond tip stereo ST4 stylus. I've adjusted the tracking weight to about 2.5 grams, so it will play any record beautifully without any damage. And you just flip it over for 78, and it plays 78 really, really well. I might do a couple of videos on this in the future. Who knows? Also, what I've done, I mentioned on. Let's just whip this record off. I mentioned on the other one about the Rexine all lifting. Well, it lifts along here, especially on this one, because both the valves, there's one there and there's one there. They're right up at the front on this one. The other one, the EL84 sticks that way. So the whole bottom of the motorboard is covered in adhesive silver paper, which is, I've just lined the inside with it, which will dissipate the heat and stop the Rexine lifting. So there we go, a nice brand new 1958 Dancit Junior Deluxe with new catches, well, I don't think you really get better than this, so I'm very pleased with it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Take care. I'll be back soon. Goodbye.